Now in Canada, the Philmop top-down mopping system. For the past 100 years, floors in healthcare institutions have been cleaned in much the same way, using heavy string mops and wringers. Cross-contamination is a much talked about subject, but it is still common to see up to 5 rooms mopped using the same water, and as many as 20 rooms done with the same mop head. In 1995, 88,000 people died from infections acquired while in the hospital. In this age of budget cutbacks, it is often the housekeeping budget which is the first to suffer, and staff are being asked to provide a higher level of cleanliness with tools which are outdated and obsolete. It's time for a change. Imagine a mop which weighs less than 2 pounds, resulting in reduced worker fatigue and injuries. Imagine using a fresh mop head for every room, resulting in virtually zero cross-contamination. Imagine a mopping system that saves money on chemicals, water, and time, making it possible to implement without destroying the budget and resulting in substantial long-term cost savings. The Philmop top-down mopping system is all this and more. Here's how it works. The housekeeper is provided with a bucket, 20 microfiber heads, and a telescopic handle. The handle will accommodate any housekeeper's height, making it more ergonomic. 20 rooms are mopped using 1 gallon of water. Notice that there is no splashing on the baseboards and no dirty edges. Every room receives a new mop head. There are no more dirty mops in any patient rooms. In most cases, dust mopping is not required. Also, there are no more cumbersome dirty pails of water in the hallway or on the housekeeping cart. The dirty heads are placed in your designated laundering area. Other great uses for Philmop top-down systems are baseboard cleaning, cleaning in corners or around obstacles, wall cleaning, and dry dusting of floors or walls. Laundering Philmop's microfiber is as easy as laundering any other mop in your regular laundry unit. The Philmop microfiber mop head will wash 500 times before replacement is considered. Let's compare a Philmop to the old mopping system. In the conventional system, fill the pail and wringer set with 12 liters of water and add appropriate cleaning solution. With the top-down system, 4 liters of water with appropriate cleaning solution is all that is needed. Repeat every 4 rooms, dumping 30 pounds of water each time. Repeat every 20 rooms, and never dump the pail, which only weighs 12 pounds. Dip dirty 5-pound mop into clean water. The mop now weighs 8 to 12 pounds. Wring out the mop 2 to 3 times per room. With the Philmop system, clean and soiled materials are never together. A mop would at the most weigh 2 pounds and would never touch a wringer. And don't forget, with the Philmop top-down system, dust mopping is not normally required.
My name is Hal Danier. I am the Director of Environmental Services for the Prince Albert Parkland Health Region. I am responsible for 15 facilities, 2 hospitals, 11 special care homes, and 2 office buildings. In housekeeping, one of the biggest problems is injuries to staff with all the heavy mopping that they have to do, backs and shoulders being the main problem. What I was looking for was an easier way for my staff to carry out their mopping duties. Philmop gave me this. It has now been a year since we implemented the Philmop system. We have achieved all of the goals that we set out as far as reduction in sore backs, sore shoulders. The mopping system has paid for itself through our chemical and water savings. We have reduced cross-contamination. The staff are very pleased with the system. It is very hard to get a large staff to agree that they like something. And another bonus that we discovered was a time savings. Because the staff are not going and changing mop buckets every fourth room, they now have more time to do their burnishing, which is very important, and the look and the feel of our buildings has greatly improved. And the staff are very proud of this. I am very pleased with it. It has been able to give me something that I have been looking for a long time. Housekeeping has been long overdue for a change in how we carry out our mopping. I feel very strongly that the current mopping systems that have been out there and our previous mopping, which includes our previous mopping systems of the mop, the pail, and the wringer, are going by the roadside. We no longer can afford to have walking wounded. This mopping system takes that away. That is gone, as well as our concern about the costs, because with the savings in the water and the chemicals, the system has paid for itself in a year. We have less injuries. We have reduced our costs in chemicals and water. We have paid for the system, and we have reduced cross-contamination. This system has given us all of this.
Whether you're in purchasing, infection control, occupational health, or housekeeping, utilizing the Fill-Mop top-down mopping system is a benefit to you.